Hello, all my darlings, welcome back, and I am here today to show you a little bit of the haul that I got from the drugstore yesterday. So I just went through and thought, what are some new products, what are some things I've never tried before, very affordable at the drugstore. So we're just going to start off with one of these little eye masks that I got, and one of them is a hydrogel eye patch, and the other one is hydrating with vitamin C in it. So I think today, while I'm showing you some of the other products, we're going to try this one on. And it is a one-time use only. These hydrogel eye patches are from Essence at the drugstore. It's very liquidy, just like that from the corner up. 24-hour cooling, hyaluronic acid, pink berries. These are vegan, and I want to push it up to this corner right here where I have some wrinkles up there. I like this serum under my eye every morning, and at nighttime to put it on and put a little bit of Vaseline on top of it. Let's move on to the next thing I got in my drugstore haul. Essence is the Brow Like a Boss ink gel. A tube like that. I'm opening it for the first time with you. It's a 72-hour lasting brow gel that you're putting it on as your eyebrow gel on clean brows. And see how this works with the brush that comes with it. The color I bought is blonde. They had dark ash, light brown, dark brown, and blonde. So they have 4 colors to choose from, but it's not like some of the gels I've used that tend to be too heavy and makes the brow hairs laid down. Now what I want to do is go back in with a brush and just loosen and fluff them up some. That really fills in nicely. I feel like it added fiber or volume to my brows. I think I'm going to brush them down and then go back up. If this lasts 72 hours, I'll be amazed. Reminds me a lot of Gimme Brown because I feel like it added fiber and it volumized them. And it's a good color and easy. So if this is waterproof, smudge proof for 72 hours, I'll buy a case of it. If you've seen my other videos, I have talked about my favorite colors to wear besides black. I wear a lot of black, orange and turquoise. So once it starts to be spring and summer, I do like to pull out oranges and turquoise. And so I did get 2 palettes. I'm only going to try one of these today. This is our Catrice palette with beautiful turquoise and terracottas, peaches and pinks and shimmers. So this is what we're going to apply today. I'm going to start off with the Inglet. This is a waterproof. It's a pomade type of eye gel. And I got some really nice brush set with that. You get all of these brushes. Got these on Amazon. And you can see here from very tilted to fine, very small, so you can get really nice detailed type of eyeliner and eyeshadow with these brushes. It is waterproof, smudge proof. You can see this Inglet is very nice. Not worrying about if it's going to break up on you. So I'm going from some really dramatic wings today. Now I'm going to go back in with the black shadow. And then we're just going to start blending it from the from the eyeliner and up. Just want to buff that out. And now I'm going to go in with the browns. So I'm going to go in with the darkest brown first. I'm going to put it on my lid. It's very pigmented. I'm going to blend it out and up. The corner again that matte look, and just above the brown, matte and up. So we're going to use this mellow here and go just there on the brow bone and up. Be sure you're pulling, at this point, everything needs to be pulled up. And then I want to take this turquoise shimmer between the light matte turquoise and the brown and blend it from the blue into the darker. I'm going to go under the brow bone with the shimmer. White that I want to under the brows and to blend that up. Called Frosty, and have it just right here. Again, the Frosty here. The last thing I'm going to do is I just want to buff it all out. Put all of that on just to then basically lift off excess and to blend it so that it's not hard edges. Let's go ahead and take these off. I think they've been on long enough. I do think that under my eyes look plumper, and here aren't as crinkly. So we're going to try using a concealer to see if anything settles once I remove that. Really sharp and flat, and I want to get a really clean edge, so I'm just going to pick up some of my concealer. So we're just getting drugstore drama today. So we're going to open this up. We're going to try this Sky High today, and I can't really, I'm going to use my scissors because it doesn't open very well, and I know they do that. I know they do that for a reason. There's something about Sky High that I like this type of bristle, and this one is really flexy. I don't know if you can tell that, but it has a lot of flex to it. And I'm going to try to start at the base and wiggle it up. How do y'all like this wig today? I love my wigs. In fact, I'm going to be doing a series of wigs of why I wig it, and I'm going to call it Let's Get Wiggy with It. What I like about this is how smooth it's going on, and the formula is not clumpy. I like the way it feels so smooth going from my lash line to the tip. And see, when it's thinner like this, I feel like I can turn it to get right into that corner to get those lashes. Nice and smooth. If you ever get mascara and touch a place, what I like to use is just use a spoolie and let it dry really good, and then just use the spoolie, just very lightly, to flake it off. If you do it while it's wet, it's going to push it in and ruin your makeup. I'm going in with some Milani blush. And the other thing that I got today from the drugstore was this multi-use airbrush blender. And so I'm going to go in with this to put some powder. And I am going to use my Catrice Mineral Matte Face Powder. You can see I've been using it. I love this product. And then I'm just going to pick it up on this blender. What's nice about this is how you can get into the corners. So we're going to just see how, and these are supposed to really be nice for blurring and really giving a matte finish, like an airbrush look on your face. See if I can get closer for you to see. Nice. I do like the way that this finger, see how I can push up in it? That I feel like I can really get into those corners. I can get right around the corners of my nose. Also, I can get up here around the hairline. I have white hair and I don't like to get my makeup in it, but this is also a silver white wig and I don't want to get, normally you would do your makeup all first and then put your wig on. You can use it. This is really soft, it's nice. I like that velour feeling to it. You can use it with foundation or powder, can get in the corners. So I'm really happy that this was in my drugstore haul today, because if I get really close, I think you can see that the powder puff, this Essence powder foundation puff, really did get in there nicely. Our Drugstore Drama eye makeup and some great drugstore haul products that I got yesterday. I hope that if it works for me, it'll work for you too. Remember, my darlings, age is just a number. Don't let it define you. Ring the bell, subscribe, and I'll see you here next time. Doing, my darlings. Bye.